With the years of experience I have, and knowing the inspectors that I work with, and knowing the things that they see almost on a daily basis, but certainly it's very frequent to find very expensive repairs in houses that nobody knows about. It's very common to find very dangerous conditions that maybe nobody knows about. And I'll give you an example. There's been more than one time that I have found that a house has had a new roof put on it, and the water heater or furnace is in the attic. And when that roof was put on, the exhaust vent on the furnace or water heater was pulled off, and it's now terminating into the attic. So it's pumping all that carbon monoxide into the attic. Well, there are no carbon monoxide detectors in attics. That's not a common place to put them. That can be a deadly situation, and we find that frequently. People living there don't know it. They've just been lucky. They've been lucky that the pressure of the house hasn't changed in a way that that's being pushed down into the house. So I think of those kind of things when I hear people say, yeah, we bought the house and we weren't able to get an inspection because we were afraid we wouldn't get the contract. I totally understand that, and that's been a battle for everybody in the industry across the board the last few months. But there are always options. You can always do a pass-fail inspection, which basically means we just want to have it inspected for our own knowledge. There's no bearing on the contract. We're not going to ask for repairs. It's not a contingency. We just want to know. And historically, back in years ago, that's what home inspections were. It wasn't so much of a laundry list of to-do items for the guy selling the house as it was for an educational tool for the person buying the house. So just on a safety point of view, looking at somebody not getting a home inspection it's shocking. It scares me a little bit. But then you look at the investment piece of it. Everything from roofing system, plumbing system, the structural system, the drainage, the moisture control, all of those things either individually or combined can cause, a lot of damage to a house if it's not done right. And I don't know, I feel like it's important that people would know that moving into it. So I think it's a really bad idea.